Welcome to our YouTube channel Venkatesh Akurati's Math Club. I am Venkatesh Akurati, lecturer in mathematics, PB Siddhartha College of Arts and Science, Vijayawada. I have given number of lectures to the undergraduate students and also continuing to the YouTube channel. It gives me a wonderful response. I am going to teach Vedic mathematics from 3 to 12 years children. Kindly utilize and subscribe our YouTube channel. I assure the children are enhancing their skills in mathematics. Thank you. So, what is Vedic mathematics? Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques or sutras to solve mathematical arithmetic in an easy and faster way. It consists of 16 sutras. Sutras means formulae, and 13 sub sutras, that is sub formulas, which can be used for problems involved in arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, and conics. Vedic mathematics is a system of mathematics which was discovered by our Indian mathematician Jagat Guru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. How is Vedic maths used in our daily life? It helps a person to solve mathematical problems many times faster. It helps in making intelligent decisions to both simple and complex problems. Simple means very simple problems in our daily life, and complex means very big problems to solve that problems also. It reduces the burden of memorizing difficult concepts. It helps the concentration of a child and his determination to learn and develop his or her skills. Why is it called Vedic maths? Bharati Krishna Tirtha was born in March 1884 in Puri village, Orissa, a state in India. According to Krishna Tirtha, he learned the sutras from the Vedas like the Atharva Veda and Rig Veda. Hence, the term Vedic mathematics. He wrote the initial 16 sutras in 1957. Benefits of Vedic maths. It enables faster calculation as compared to the usual method. It promotes mental calculation. It gives students a better understanding of mathematics. Vedic math improves the spiritual side of the children's personality, increase creativity and also confidence. Who should learn Vedic maths? Vedic mathematics is applicable for students from grade 3 to 12, and for students who are writing competitive exams, and also for parents and teachers who are teaching their children's. Vedic maths is also very useful and helpful for our day-to-day mathematical calculations. Is Vedic maths better than abacus? Vedic math helps an individual to speed up his mental calculation with easy and fun tricks, whereas you need a kit to calculate in abacus. For multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, square root, you can definitely use the abacus as a tool, But for higher class mathematics, you need to depend on Vedic maths. What is the right age for Vedic maths? Age for learning abacus is between 5 to 14 years. And the best age for learning Vedic maths is minimum age 10 years. Thank you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Venkatesh Akurati's Math Club. Thank you.